Hi everyone, Keitaro team is here. So we are continuing our course on the tracker and moving on to the topic called how to make the conversion fact come to the tracker, so you can see all the statistics on your sales and leads in Keitaro. So first of all, what is a postback? Briefly, a postback is a request with a specific set of data that allows the tracker to recognize when a target action has occurred on your offer. To set it up in a basic way, you need to do. So first, take the Keitaro postback link, the system to which the postback will be sent, and the second one, add it to the system that will send this postback. Let's start with setting up a postback. There are several options for setting up a postback in the tracker, depending on your traffic funnel, the type of offer, campaign settings, who is sending the postback. There are many possibilities here. So let's consider a scenario where you take a link in an affiliate program, add it to Keitaro as an offer, and the affiliate sends a postback. To simplify the process, Keitaro has a section called Affiliate Networks right there. So, which includes a set of templates depending on the affiliate program you are working with. So you see there are a lot of them. So there are two cases. The affiliate network template already exists in the tracker, right here in this section. Or the second case, the template is not present, so you need to create it first. So let's look at an example using the Everate affiliate program. Register in the affiliate program. You have to create the account, register here. You also probably have to write to the manager to collect your offers, so you have a new offers be opened, and then just to create your first campaign. I have already did this. Here is our campaign. We created a stream in the affiliate program, and what's next? We saved it, and this is our offer link that will lead us to our offer. We can test it. So here you go. We have to add the offer to Keitaro. Offer section, create, we choose the redirect, and we have to use this link, our offer link. And since the Everate affiliate template is already in the tracker, you just need to enable it. So here in the affiliate network, we have to choose Everate and press the button create. Great. And what's next? Next, we have to create a campaign in Keitaro. So let's go to our campaigns, press the button create. Let's put it the same name. And we have to create the flow. So our scheme will be landing in offers. We have to choose our offer, Everate test, add, apply, and create. Here is our stream, our campaign in the tracker, and the link to which we send the traffic. What is important to understand now? First, we have connected an offer with a template. So let's move on to the template to make it more visual. Let's go to Affiliate Networks and open Everate. We definitely need to give our sub-ID of Keitaro's click to the affiliate program so that after they send us a conversion, they also send this sub-ID in the postback. That's why this field is very important. So offer parameters. So this is our sub-ID, and this is how the affiliate network Everate identify this sub-ID. So this way the Keitaro tracker understands which sub-ID of the click corresponds to which campaign and which user to record this conversion for. Here is the postback URL field. This is exactly the postback link that Everate will use to send us our postback upon conversion. This means that we have already tested this template. So representatives of the affiliate wrote to us, we discussed the link, parameters, and everything else with them. And we edited it for you to make it convenient. This field doesn't affect anything in the tracker at all, so you can remove it if you like to. So nothing bad will happen. However, every time you would need to retrieve this link again. This is just the field used as a text note. But please don't use this field, so offer parameters. Do not change anything here, except for the case when the affiliate representative directly tells you, for example, now we have this parameter, not like the sub-ID parameter, not as a seed 5, but roughly says like as ADA. So then you can change it. If this happens, write to us asking to replace it in the tracker with the current data. This is because affiliate programs don't notify us regularly. They don't inform us or constantly update us. Now let's take this link and put it in the created stream in Everate. Usually you can add a global postback so that all the conversions sent to you will be forwarded to this link. Here in the campaign section we see the button global postback. So we have to press this button. and paste this postback link here, so right here. What definitely cannot be changed, even if the manager tells you or anyone else says, is the sub-ID parameter. So right here, this is our sub-ID parameter. This is our parameter. Everything to the left of the equal sign in the postback link represents our parameters, and they must not be changed under any circumstances for everything to work correctly. We save it here. Just press the button save. And that's it. You can configure it further, but I have tested everything, so everything is working correctly. And in fact, our setup is finished. So let's do a test conversion. Let's go to our campaign, copy the campaign link. And here we go. So we follow the link of the offer, and what do we see? We see that here in the URL, under the seed 5 parameter right here, our real click ID from Keitaro was substituted. So this is the sub ID of the click. This will appear exactly the same in our log. So let's get back and see the log. So we go to the log, reload it, and while reviewing the log, we can see this is the sub ID. The same sub ID that we do have in our offer. Here is our click, meaning that is the real click ID substituted instead of the macro. Next, we have to make the conversion in order. Fill up the form. Here is the actual fact of the conversion on average offer. Thanks to what we've set up, the conversion will be sent to the Keitaro tracker using the global postback. So we have to go to the postback logs and check. So let's go to the postback log. We have to go to the maintenance, log, received postback, reloaded, and here you go. We can see the date and time and the conversion that we have successfully received to our tracker. The conversion arrived at the tracker. Here it is. And here is the conversion fact. We can also check it if we go to the reports, conversions, and right here. So this is our last conversion. We see the status lead, the revenue, offer, average test, and this is our sub ID of the click. Let's move on to the errors. If it seems that everything has been set up, but nothing works, the conversion doesn't arrive at the tracker. So let's investigate the most common reasons this might happen. The most common reason is an incorrect sub-ID error or an empty sub-ID when it arrives. So let's check our log and I will show you how this error looks like. Go to logs, received postback, and right here, this is how this error actually looks like. Incorrect sub-ID or postback ignored. Why does this happen? Specifically, this occurs because nothing was sent in the postback under the sub-ID parameter. Here it is, you see, it is empty. If we were to see the value of the real sub-ID of the click here, everything would work. But here it says incorrect sub-ID ignored. It means that nothing is being sent from the affiliate program and the postbacks for the click sub-ID. So this issue can arise for two reasons. You incorrectly set up the transfer of the click sub-ID from the tracker to the affiliate program, or you transferred it correctly, but the affiliate program isn't returning it in the postback for some reason. Let's go step by step how to resolve this kind of the issue. How is the clicks sub-IDs transferred to the affiliate program in this case? This has already been shown in the template for Everate affiliate network. Let's go to our campaign, open our flow, our scheme, and open our offer one more time. So yes, right here we can see that we have affiliate network connected. So right here. Let's check that we pass the parameters for the offer as seed5 equal to sub ID. We copy the campaign link. And here we see what is indeed passed to the URL. That's it. This completes the tracker's task regarding the transfer. The next step is to ensure that the affiliate program sends the sub-ID back in the postback. You must instruct the affiliate program to return the sub-ID in the sub-ID parameter. So specifically, your request might sound like, please return our sub-ID, the one we sent you in a seed 5, back to us in the postback. In order to do this, it's very important to set up the postback link in the global postback section correctly. Let's take a look at a specific example. So we go to our campaign and here we have such an offer. We see that everything have been set it up correctly. We checked our offer, so we have the affiliate network. Please make sure that the affiliate network is connected successfully, because this is the common mistake when you usually forget to connect the affiliate network template. All right, then let's do the click. Let's copy the campaign link. And what are we seeing here? So this is our link, Glory Casino. It is different from the one that we have in our offer. Let's check it out one more time. So here we have the link that calls click.glorytref, and these two are different. So the task of the tracker is to pass the sub-ID of the click to the first link you provided as the offer. From there, the affiliate program should collect the sub-ID of the click from this link. Now I will show you clearly. Here, we can see there are several redirects. To view this, we're using the redirect path extension, which is very helpful. So here we see the request goes to this link, which is the Keitaro campaign link. There is a 302 temporary redirect to the offer link, and we can clearly record that the click left the tracker with the sub-ID and the tag that the affiliate program requires. Right here, we see the click ID, which is the sub-ID in our case, and it has the actual meaning, the sub-ID. Here it is, so our sub-ID of the click, the real value of the tracker's click sub-ID. However, in the final link, we follow the redirect path further. There is another redirect from this Glorytref link, which we set as the offer link in the affiliate program. This is the internal affiliate redirect. And right here we can see the final link, the Glory Casino. At this stage, the affiliate program should pick up the text from the first link where the redirect occurs. If the tag click ID equals to sub ID or any other required tag is present here, the affiliate program should take the value. From the tracker side, that's all. The task is completed and everything is configured correctly. If you're not receiving the expected sub ID or the correct value in the postback, you need to contact the affiliate program. Let's talk about one more topic. So, receiving an unexpected values in the sub ID block. Also, it may be that the affiliate program sends you some other value. For example, you go to your affiliate network and you give the sub-ID of the click to the parameter they need, but you receive a completely different value in the sub-ID block. And for example, you mistakenly took it in the parameters and set the wrong value, not the one that you need to receive. So for instance, you look and thought the conversion ID right here and the ID is going to be the same as the sub ID. Everything should be fine. So you're taking the macro ID and instead of the seed 5, the actual meaning for the sub ID, you just put the macro ID, put it in the postback URL. So we copy that. All right. And we just have to put it here. So you put the conversion ID here as a sub ID and check it right here. So we changed the link to be incorrect and saved it. Let's do the test conversion. Okay, and see here in our URL, we see that the seed 5 is actually transferring correct sub ID meaning for us. All right, let's do the conversion. So we made an application and let's now go look in the log to see what we received there. So we go to maintenance, logs, received postback, reloaded. All right. Yes, you see, instead of sub ID, it is no longer an empty value, but this is clearly not the sub ID of the tracker's click. Therefore, such a conversion will not be recorded. It will simply be ignored.